All right, what's good, YouTube? Your boy is in Chicago, Illinois. More like I think it's called Woodgrove or Winter Grove, something like that. But anyway, I'm up here at S&A Security LLC for my kill switch. Check them out, man. They'll get you right, bro. Promise. Yes, sir. Give him a call. Tell my man Tony that Dorian sent you. I'm gonna go give you guys a quick walk around the store and all that good stuff. They are currently installing the kill switch on my vehicle and all that good stuff, man. But you know, you gotta protect your investments, man. Got to.
You sound like you're pet.
Rolling cold. Hey, yeah.
I see why your granny said that.
Well, at the end of the day, it's...
She
hey.
fucked me up.
What?
What she said?
What'd she say?
She said, when I was on the phone, she said, you gonna pay someone's rent?
I'm gonna do...
When you told her you was leaving. I was like, you gonna pay a landlord? You gonna pay somebody's property? Kept going.
Alrighty, man.
Oh my god. Don't,
Hey, nothing. Shoot. You
no.
dragging it now. You dragging it.
You can't get mad because I found that funny.
Oh,
Shit.
brother.
I don't give a damn about brother.
Oh, brother.
Shit.
I'm like a son. Brother. Shoot. Sounds like there. Brother. Hey. Mom come out. Oh.
She threw me off with that. Like, I don't know. She just threw me off. Oh. You know what? When me and you might need to go.
Go where?
See Nate.
Kayla, we are gonna go see her. I'm probably gonna go.
So I can just be laughing. So I can see what's my name.
Oh, cute. But yeah. So we supposed to be doing that when we come back though. When we turn around. What? You gonna be so well rested. I'm not. I'm the one that's gonna be sleepy.
Oh, so you want me to drive him back?
Look at us. We'll see.
I told
We'll
you
see.
I could drive 30 minutes.
No, babe.
Baby. There go the family. The wife and kids.
For real, that's them?
Duh. You don't read their license plates. You can't read motherfucking people's license plates.
He had the sunroof open. You know, my boy was chilling. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But I was just saying, yes, so I can bring Nay up. Bring that up to Nay.
You just want to say it again.
Yes,
they can laugh all day long at that stuff, bro. Good grief.
He's my
oh my goodness.
He's my friend. He's my friend.
37 more miles. I had to look. Look, if you lift my phone up for me, I can see.
She was like, he's my friend. He's my friend. I don't give a fuck about your friend.
She don't give a fuck about your friend.
No, he said, I don't give a fuck about your friend. He won't be satisfied. He said, I'll kill him. And you're going to be like, oh no, my friend.
You can't even stop laughing to even say the dang on thing. Good grief, man.
Because her friend
Washing up my diamonds then.
sent her $5 back. And he was like, you got niggas sending you money? I can give you that $5. Fuck, I'll give you that $5. What did you mean? And she was like, he's my friend. I don't give a fuck about your friend. You won't be satisfied until I kill it.
All right.
Like,
all right.
What? Really?
Hey, boy, I know his wife and kids tired of him. They gotta keep getting gas, boy. He be speeding that little thing, bro. Oh, that's my door. I'm like, what the hell is that shaking? What are you doing, dude?
Oh shit, he trying to see your car from the review.
Yeah.
Review. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, you do. Got the wife and kid looking.
That's not a kid, that's probably his sitter.
No, it was. You didn't see her in the back, babe. It's his wife is in the front, and then he got a kid in the back.
You don't even know who these people are. You just
I don't. Yeah, I am assuming by the appearance. So maybe it could be just friends. You know, they all friends and shit. Shit, good thing you ain't in his car. You be mad. Slow this down. You ain't gonna be able to sleep, boy. You too busy speeding.
Get the fuck out.
Good grief. Good God. That's how I know we almost get into the city for real. God dang, dude. Get off my ass in this damn Jeep behind me. God damn.
I'm trying to bust it down. Don't want to fix that.
Ooh, my boy love this shit, boy. Hey, boy.
I ain't never seen a fat nigga on a motorcycle.
Damn.
I've never seen a fat nigga on a motorcycle like that. Him and a motorcycle the same size.
Crazy.
Please pop that out.
Pop what out?
Prop
What?
Prop that what I just said.
Why?
It's not for that shit.
Kayla, this is all content, babe. Niggas, I can see it now. Everybody gonna be in the comments laughing and shit. Your girl, fool, she's stupid. I already know.
Just delete it. I already know. Just delete it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Am I gonna? Yeah, I'm gonna record recording the inside and shit when I get there, and then the POV. How many more minutes did it say, babe? On the GPS over there, I can't see it.
42 minutes.
God damn. 42 minutes.
Can we listen to
I asked you, and your chances is gone. I'm not doing that.
I don't know who the fuck.
This is my car, my rules. Kayla, put it down, man.
Just add it to the queue. Be quiet.
Damn, you listen to that shit all day
And you
long.
listen to the young boy all day.
Right, watch your mouth. I just started doing that.
So you watch your motherfucking mouth.
Shit, you know, my nerves with that shit. You know what, babe? You want me to turn around and go back at the Ford Edge?
I don't give a fuck.
We can go back. It ain't too late.
It's hella late.
It ain't too late.
Your ass gonna miss your appointment trying to go back.
I want my diamonds, dude. Anybody in this lane over here on the right? Yes or no? You not deciding quick enough.
Your thingy thing is not. You need to change it so you can see your thingy thing.
What are you talking about?
You can see, and you better be careful, man.
Beep, beep.
In 4.2 match, going to take an exit to 69.
Put it down. I don't need you to tell me anything. Put it down. Put your little stupid song on there, and then put my phone down.
Don't disrespect.
Because you listen to them songs all the time, dude.
Dorian, shut the fuck up.
I mean, it's the same song you probably heard about 30 million times already.
Fuck.
Is this lane open or not? In the right lane. Is it open?
Yes, what's wrong with you?
Look
You're
forward.
fucking-
Look forward. That's what I be asking you. Shit. Damn, it is not open. It is not open.
It's open enough for you.
Put my phone down. Kayla, are you trying to get me copyrighted, dude?
Wait, put that shit on mute.
Putting on mute, nothing. All right, y'all. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get into the city, bro. She wanna listen to this stupid old scissor. All right.